Good morning. We just woke up from our night spent at Cracker Barrel on the bank of an interstate. So I did wake up a bit overnight, and I was kind of tippy towards my end of the bed every time I woke up in the middle of the night. Someone was smashed up against me, smashing me into the wall that we hadn't tipped out. So it was a brand new bucket list experience. We have now lot docked without our slides out. And because our slides weren't out, no coffee yet, I think we're gonna find somewhere that we can just go in and grab some coffee and our breakfast and be on the road. Another 300-400 miles today? Another 300-400 miles today on our road to Maine. Dark really fast once we got here to Walmart, and so I will not be taking a walk tonight before bed. Maybe in the morning I'll take a walk on that little pathway. But we have 7 hours and 38 more minutes of driving tomorrow, and that should put us at Wilderness Edge Campground in Millinocket, Maine, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And our road to Maine will have come to an end. So, see you tomorrow.